Hi everyone, welcome into Discover. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to write our first test in Playwright. If you are new to Playwright, don't worry, I will show you step by step. So let's begin. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on Playwright and automation testing. Create a new file. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the project structure of the Playwright. Inside this test folder, you can view example folder. This is by default. When you install the Playwright, you can view this is the example. Now create a new test file. For creating a new file inside this test folder, so before writing test case, you need to create a new test file. Right click on this test folder, new file, and then enter file name. First you need to enter file name and then enter .spec and then enter .ts. First underscore test dot spec dot ts. This is file name and then click on enter. Now, first thing we need to do here, import test runner and assertions library for Playwright. First step is import test runner and assertion library from Playwright. Import curly brackets and then test comma expect. This is for running and assertions and then close bracket here from Playwright at the rate Playwright test comma. Now we have successfully imported here test runner and assertions library from Playwright. Now define test case here. Define test case test and then round brackets, enter test case name here, launch browser. Suppose you want to launch a browser, so here enter test case name, launch browser and async round brackets, inside this round bracket curly brackets and page. This is a function. Now inside we will write a test case. As you can view, this is Playwright website, so we need to navigate to this URL. For navigating to the URL, copy this complete URL, open VS Code and enter here. Go to the Playwright website. First go to the Playwright website, await page dot go to and then enter website URL here. This line for navigate to the URL. Now let's add some assertions here. As you can view, when navigate to this URL, here we are getting this title. This is page title, fast and reliable, but we need to verify whether this title is displayed or not after navigating to this URL. So here we will add some assertions. Assert that the page title matches exactly this text. Let's add some assertions here. Await, expect. As you can view here, we define expect for assertions. Await, expect, page, here, page, to have, dot, to have, dot, to, and then enter here. To have title. As you can view here, title and to have URL. You can also verify URL. If you want to verify the page of the title, so you need to click on this to have title and then enter your expected title inside this round brackets. So we can move here like this and then enter your expected title inside these commas. Let's copy this title, right click on this one, inspect, and find here, Control F for finding fast. This is the title, fast and reliable end-to-end testing for modern web apps Playwright. So we need to copy this title, copy this title, copy, and then click on copy element. You can copy this one. Let's remove this title text because we just need to verify this title. Enter semicolon here after round bracket. Next thing we need to do here, verify this get started text should be displayed after opening this URL. So here first define variable const and then enter variable name get started is equal to page dot locator and then enter here text is equal to get started. Get started, inspect, and the text is get started. So we need to verify this text should be displayed in this page. Open VS Code and then enter here get started. This is line 4. Locate the element with text which is get started. Let's add assertions here. Await, expect, enter this variable name which is get started dot to be visible. This text should be displayed. Now we can run the test. As you can view here, we need to save this test file. Let's save this test file. We can format this document. So right click on, then click on this format document. Now we can run the test. So save this file. Let's save this file and then enter command here for running the test npx playwright test and then enter this file name which is first underscore test here first underscore test dot spec and then enter extension dot ts. If you want to launch a browser, so you need to enter here headed. By default, Playwright run the test in a headless mode. So you need to enter dash dash headed for launching the browser, and you can view your test running in a browser. So click on enter and the test is running. First, it will open the browser. As you can view here, running 3 tests using 3 workers. Open browser, navigate to this URL and verify the title. It will open 3 browsers because in configuration set, it will open Chrome browser, Firefox and WebKit browsers. As you can view here, 3 passed, running 3 tests using 3 workers. So all the test case has been passed. This is import test runner and assertions. And here we define test case is launch browser. And this is the URL for navigating to the URL. And this is assertions. We are expecting that this title should be displayed in home page, and look at this element get started by text, which is get started. Now we have successfully write our first test in Playwright. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Playwright tutorials. See you in the next video.